Today we'll be installing a light switch. Tie the white ones together, they're ground. The black wires are live. Power in is located on the bottom. And I run the line to the light on the top. We'll be hooking these two black wires to the switch. Push your ground wires into the box. You'll notice the green ground screw on the bottom and the switch positioning. The power in is going to be on the bottom terminal. The top terminal will go to your light. And the green screw is for the bare ground wire. After you strip your wires, bend a little curve at the end. The bare wire goes to the green terminal. The black line of this power goes to the bottom screw. And the wire that goes to the top screw goes to your light fixture. Make sure you get them nice and tight when you tighten up the screws. Then you'll wrap electrical tape around the terminals. Carefully push the wires into the box. With the Phillips screwdriver, screw in the screws to the switch. Now you completed today's task, hooking up a light switch.